This is S.J. Arun Kumar, PGT in English, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar Gurukulam, Kalasamudram, Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. I would like to thank ReadToMe Software for providing complete text and giving lesson-wise knowledge to students not only online but also offline. It is the best app for learning and improving English. Whenever I take class, I open the ReadToMe software and select the topic in the study material. I select the magnifying glass by clicking in reading options. I play lesson.
Reaching the unreached. Ramesh was 14 years old. He left his widowed mother and 3 younger sisters back in.
I play lesson twice or thrice. If students want to listen again and again, I use next and previous buttons. I ask students, do you find any difficult words in the paragraph? Then I select difficult word in the paragraph, meaning and its usage. For example, a word widowed. The word widowed is in the lesson reaching the unreached, which is in class 8th C reading. The word widowed means a woman who lost her husband and its usage. I saw a widowed woman at the gate and its spelling.
W-I-W-I-D-O-W-E-D, widowed.
And its pronunciation.
Widowed.
And its translation in Telugu. Vidavaralu. Even I can show picture for word. If we want, we can record students' voice also. In this manner, we can develop English language. After attending classes regularly through ReadToMe software, students overcome mispronunciation and spellings, etc. They are able to read correctly and speak well. Children are learning happily through ReadToMe software in class. So, I can conclude that ReadToMe software plays an important role in students' lives. Thank you one and all.